Our task is to add a drop-down list to cells B2 to K11 so the teacher can select only the P, L or A from a list. So first thing we're going to do is select the cells B2 to K11. We click in B2, I press Shift and I click on K11. That's selected the whole area. Now I want to go up to the top menu and I choose data up here. So I click and then I go over to the right and I'll see data validation. You might find your icons arranged slightly differently to the way that you can see right here. So I'm going to click data validation and this screen appears. Normally Excel will allow you to enter any value into a cell, but we don't want that. We want just the list. So I click on the drop down and choose list. Now in the bottom where it says source down here, I'm going to enter the values I want to allow. Separated by commas, I'm going to enter the values P, A, L. This is case sensitive, so if you want to allow lowercase letters, you'll have to add those to your list. Under input message in the middle here, I'm going to put a message that I want the user to see when they click on the cell. Enter attendance. And at the bottom, I'm going to put a message they'll see. Please select a value from the drop-down list. And then under error alert, this is the message the user will see if they enter a value that's not allowed. Title, invalid attendance, and underneath an error message. Make sure that your messages are meaningful to the user. Things like say an error has occurred and of no use to anyone. Tell them what they've got to do to fix the problem. Once you've done this, we click OK, and that will apply the data validation. You notice over here when I click on a cell, I get my little message popping up, and if I type in an invalid value, like for example 49%, and then press enter, I get my error message appearing. So that all seems to be working. That's good. We can move on to the next step.